But speaking of closure, I mean, we are probably hours away, maybe a day away from a closure of the P Diddy.
Exactly. It's a good transition.
I mean, that's a great.
It's a good transition. I'm gonna
That's
start moving to Johnny to transition. He does it so well. Yeah,
I just think that's. I mean, we've been talking about that. We talked about the human trafficking aspect of it. We made a joke earlier before we came on the air. I mean, because even I saw Judge Mathis, which is a judge on TV all the time, said there's no way they could prove him guilty of human trafficking.
Right.
So my first question is, do they return the baby oil?
It's in evidence.
Most cases,
It's a lot of baby oil.
Right.
It's a lot of baby oil, dude.
So, I mean, like, at best, the only thing they really have him on is, like we talked about earlier, in reference to the arson.
That's it.
And the question is does that jury believe that the arson is somehow that he controlled some conspiracy to engage in a criminal enterprise?
Right.
And just because you burn a car, because you're upset.
And you open Christmas gifts? But you know what's crazy? They called 32 witnesses?
34.
I read a lot of those witnesses. I didn't read all the testimony, but it seemed to me the same testimony over and over again about
how bad of a guy
he is, how abusive he was, how he had, one guy testified he had this look in his eyes. The security guy was like, what? Like the look in the eye, like I could tell he wasn't there. I'm like, all right, well, was he trafficking humans? You know, was he, like the male escort was like, oh yeah, he would pay me, and he beat her up. And she would say sorry if she didn't listen to him. And I'm like, they're like, why didn't you intervene? Well, I wasn't going to intervene. He's like, I'm not getting involved in that, There was just, I didn't, did you see any of the witnesses? Did you read any testimony that was like, whoa, maybe they get the human trafficking?
Yes.
What?
Cassie's mom.
What did she, that was interesting. Tell me about that.
She said that, I think she had to take a mortgage or get a loan or something like that.
Oh, yes, I saw that.
Because
he threatened her.
Diddy was threatening to release the sex tapes unless Cassie gave him $20,000. So
P Diddy needs $20,000? Right.
I don't know. And so she got the money and got the money to Diddy so that he wouldn't release the sex tapes.
That's
weak.
I didn't see anything in reference. I mean, what was it, cash?
I don't know.
Did she wire it to him, P Diddy? $20,000. The guy probably drops $20,000 on a club night with
on Uber Eats.
He was running low on Astroglide and baby oil. He needed the money.
No, I mean, that is weak. If that's what you have, that's weak.